Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Docker Desktop for Windows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type docker.com and press enter to visit the Docker website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button located in the top navigation menu. Hover over it, and then click on Docker Desktop in the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the Docker Desktop page. Scroll down to find the section for downloading Docker Desktop for Windows. Here, you will see a prominent Download button. Click on the Download for Windows button to start the download process. Your browser will begin downloading the Docker Desktop installer file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file, usually named Docker Desktop Installer.exe. Double-click on the installer file to run it. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The installation wizard will open, guiding you through the setup process. First, review the license agreement and select the checkbox to accept it. Next, click on the Install button to proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you may be prompted to log out and log back into your Windows account. Complete this step if needed, then reopen Docker Desktop after logging back in. When Docker Desktop opens for the first time, it may take a moment to initialize. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the application. Once the setup is complete, you will see the Docker icon in your taskbar. Docker Desktop is now ready for use on your Windows computer. You can begin exploring Docker's features and capabilities right away. Remember to check for updates regularly to ensure you have the latest features and security fixes. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Docker Desktop for Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.